So the OnePlus 15T is already starting to pop up in leaks, and it looks like OnePlus isn't slowing down anytime soon. Earlier this year, they introduced the OnePlus 15T, a compact flagship that hit the Chinese market first and then launched globally as the OnePlus 13S. Despite its small 6.3-inch size, it packed serious flagship power with the Snapdragon 8 Elite under the hood. Now, we're getting an early look at what its successor, the OnePlus 15T, might bring to the table. OnePlus actually jumped straight from the 13th series to the 15th in China, completely skipping 14th. Apparently the numbers considered unlucky there. So naturally, the next compact flagship is shaping up to be called the OnePlus 15T. Now, the new leak from Tipster Digital Chat Station gives us a pretty good idea of what's coming. We're looking at a 6.31-inch flat display with 1.5K resolution and super thin uniform bezels. That's right, no chunky borders ruining the look. What's unclear is whether it'll get the 165 Hz refresh rate from the regular OnePlus 15. If it does, this thing is gonna feel silky smooth. Under the hood, this one's gonna be powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, Qualcomm's latest and greatest chip. To put that into perspective, it's said to deliver about 20% faster CPU performance compared to the 8 Elite, the same chip that powered the 13T. So yeah, expect this thing to fly. Battery details are still under wraps, but word is it might pack around 7,000 mAh, which would be wild for such a compact phone. That's not official yet, but if true, it's gonna be one seriously long-lasting device. There's more. Looks like the 15T could finally get an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, replacing the optical one from last year. That's a solid upgrade since ultrasonic scanners are quicker and way more accurate. Oh, and IP68 water and dust resistance might also make its debut here, up from IP65 on the 13T. As for when we'll see it, leaks suggest an early 2026 launch somewhere between March and April. And just like before, it'll probably go global later as the OnePlus 15S. If OnePlus nails the balance between size and flagship power again, this could easily become one of the best compact Androids to look forward to next year. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates like this.